Hi guys, welcome back. How are you all doing? You have seen in the previous video that I have been traveling and now I am in the place that you haven't seen before. It is the city of Madurai. So why I am in Madurai right now is that it's my grandparents' place. My grandparents' house is here, so I have visited them now, and the vlog is about, obviously it's about the city of Madurai, and I have tried to cover most of the places that Madurai is known for. Obviously, I can't travel to all the places. I have tried to cover the important places around the city, so I hope you will enjoy. Now, this is not a typical vlog, like it's not a video that's going to be on road or on travel. The whole video is not going to be like that. A part of the video will show about the vlog, and then I'll explain about that in the next segment, so in the next section. So that is how this vlog, I have edited this vlog in that way, so I hope you will enjoy it. So without any further ado in the video, let's jump in and see what are those places. If you are a person from Tamil Nadu or if you are a person from South India, you will definitely know that Madurai is famous for its Sungri saris. Sungri sari is nothing but a variety, or it's a kind of cotton sari. It is very comfortable to wear. It is a very soft cotton, and once after you wash it, it becomes super soft and it's very comfortable to wear. So years back it was told that it was for daily use, but now in the present day, I have seen so many brands and so many models pairing it with a beautiful blouse and a beautiful set of accessories, and they are giving a brand new look to this old tradition, and it is amazing. So I started developing a craze for the Sungri saris, and so I visited this place, which is very famous in Madurai. And Madurai as it is famous for Sungri saris, and this particular shop is I guess they opened it back in 1960s or 50s. I'm not sure of that, but they are the people who traditionally started weaving Sungri sarees. You know, that design, they started weaving it, and that is a place where you get original Sungri sarees, not the there are so many brands and so many companies that sell those sarees, but the original one, if you want the traditional prints, you have to visit this place, and there is no compromise on the quality. It is super amazing. So that is about this Sungri saree that I bought. Now, the second place I visited here is the Madanagopala Swami temple. It is a temple that is known for Lord Krishna. It is a temple built for Lord Krishna, and though there is the most famous massive Meenakshi Amman temple in Madurai, I prefer this temple is very close to my heart. I have so many memories to this temple. Like when I was young, I used to be taken to this temple at the evenings, and it used to be so calm, so serene. The main reason I fell in love with this temple is that it doesn't have it doesn't have a choking crowd inside. If you go to the Meenakshi Amman temple, you will choke in the crowd. It is so crowded. It will be filled with people 24/7. But this temple is not like that. It's like a temple that is in your locality. Like people in that area alone visit that temple. It's that kind of temple, but it's not. It is in the center of the city. It is in the center of the city, but it has a very less crowd. Like small batches of people come and go, and it is amazing. But having said that, it is a very old temple, and they still maintain it very well. It will be so neat. Very less people come and go, and that makes you feel really good at the temple. You get a privacy even in the temple, and you can feel a nice vibration when there's less crowd in a temple. That is my mindset. So that made me love this temple a lot. So that is the place, second place I visited in Madurai. Now the third spot, which is the most favorite, is the Madurai's famous Jigardanda spot. Madurai and Jigardanda can't be separated. They were born together. It's like that. Madurai is very famous for Jigardanda, and this particular shop, provides the best Jigardanda in the entire world. In the entire world. Jigardanda is available in Madurai and South India, and this place provides the best. And this shop in particular, it is why it is very famous is that years back there was an article about this shop in the Hindu, and that made the shop even more famous, and people started flooding in for. And this is exclusive only for Jigardanda. Okay, they don't sell anything else. Only Jigardanda, and they have only two varieties. That is the mini and the special one. And they have take homes as well. You can drink it there, or you can take it home. They have all those facilities. The only disappointment that I felt was that earlier when I used to visit the shop, when I used to order, they used to add the ingredients separately to the jar. Like they used to take every ingredient and add it and layer it up and then top it with an ice cream and give you. So that process will be very nice to see. It is a kind of a detailed process. You know, they have so many ingredients layered up and then it will be topped with an ice cream. But now maybe due to the pandemic or to reduce the waiting time of the customers, they mixed all the ingredients together and they have it separately. The whole mixture is kept separate, and when we order, they just pour that into the glass and top it with an ice cream and give you. So that is a little bit of a disappointment, because I expected that like before they used to layer it up, that used to look good as well. You know, the layers of all that ingredients in the drink, it used to look very good. But now but obviously this is a good marketing strategy, because this reduces customer time, it reduces waiting time for the customers. So it's their good strategy. So that is about the Jigirthanda of Madurai. So yes guys, so these are the 3 places that comes in the first part of my vlog. Of course there are numerous places that are to be visited yet, but I will make sure that I will show you all the important places that is in the city. Like there are a few places lined up in the next video, so please stay tuned. More interesting places in the city is waiting, so please stay tuned and subscribe to my channel if you want to see that, and give a thumbs up if you like this video and if you want to see more vlogs like these. So until the next video, which will be coming up very soon hopefully, please stay tuned and subscribe to my channel, and take care of yourself, be happy and stay positive and stay safe.